Okay, so suppose we have a question where it is said how much must be paid, how much must be paid for 17 kilograms of tea. Let me write 17 kgs of tea when 8 kg cost, when 8 kg cost $74. Okay, so see, what I have to find out is the how much must be paid. So I have to find the cost. So cost should be in the right hand side and this kg thing should be on the left hand side. The given information is 8 kg cost $74. So let me write that thing. I write the cost of 8 kg tea is equal to $74. And what do I have to find out? They have asked what is the cost of 17 kg. Now I have learned unitary method. That means if a statement gives me 8 kg of tea cost $74, I can easily find out how much 1 kg of tea cost by using unitary method. So therefore the cost of 1 kg tea is, if 8 kg cost 74, 1 kg will cost lesser. So I do 74 divided by 8, right? And how much is that? So you get it that this 74 by 8 is a amount, right? Take it as a whole, 74 by 8. And now forget about the first line, concentrate on the second line, that I have found out that the cost of 1 kg tea is 74 by 8. I know this line, okay? So from this I can write, therefore the cost of 17 kg is how much? If 1 kg costs 74 by 8, then 17 kg will cost much higher. That means this 74 by 8 remains and I multiply 17 with it. So then I get this 74 by 8 is a whole thing, so I kept it as it is and multiplied 17 with it, right? So how much is that? Let me calculate now. First thing, you see that both 74 and 8 are divisible by 2, so I'll do that. 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, and this is 4 to the 8, right? And nothing else is divisible. So 37 into 17 is there in the numerator, and that is 7 sevens are 49. I have 4 to carry. 3 sevens are 21 plus 4 is 25. I put this multiply sign, and 7 ones are 7, 3 ones are 3. I add them. 9 here. 5 plus 7 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 here and 1 gets added to this place. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. So I got 629 in the numerator divided by 4. And 629 divided by 4 is how much? I get 4 ones are 4. Subtract gives me 2. 2 comes down. 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Subtract, I get 2 and 9 comes down. 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, and subtract, I get 1, so I'm getting 157 and 1 by 4, right? Instead of taking 1 by 4, let me take it in the decimal thing, since it is cost, so I take it in the decimal form. So I take a decimal here, so I can add a 0 in this place. 4 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, subtraction gives me 2. For this decimal point, I can take 0 here, and 4 5s are 20. This is cancelled. So my answer is 157.25. So $157.25 is the cost of 17 kg of tea.